Hey guys, it's Candy, and I've got a quick share here. I made this little book to hold some stamped images that I'm sending to someone, and I used a paper collection that I got at Hobby Lobby when they were clearanced, and these are just some flowers, a little bow, a little house mouse, some sequins. So I've got seam binding, and then I've just made little pockets to put all the images that I stamped out. A little house mouse image, and these are house mouse images that I did, and then each one has a little pocket, some more house mouse, a little lace here, more images, and then another big pocket. And then this one I did a thin pocket so things wouldn't fall out if she has just a few of something that she wants to slide in there. So thin pocket, and then the back cover. So just kind of a cute little album, I guess you would call it, with the seam binding. And I'm gonna put this on after the gal receives it so that she can be surprised. So hopefully you like this little album I put together. Basically it's a cardboard box from Triscuit that I cut down and added paper on top of. It's very similar to a hinged album, and then because these are so thick I had to have a fold in the hinging so that it could lay flat. So that's the only difference than like a regular hinged album, and I just kind of put it together and figured out how to make it work as I went along. So anyway, hope you guys are all having a great day. Hope you like this little project that I put together. And let me know if you guys would like to see a tutorial of something like this. Like I say, I just kind of whipped it together, kind of figured it out as I went. And these were all made from 8.5 by 11 pages. So even the pockets, it's one page folded on top of another page and then glued together. So anyway, if you guys are interested, let me know. I can try to put something together. And again, hope you guys are all having a great day. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching.